Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will share with you the best setting in the easiest way to set up the software Voicemeeter. So when you record audio or when you streaming, you will get the best audio quality from your microphone. So let's get into it. First, download the software. Open Google and type Voicemeeter. In here we have different type software, but I prefer this one cause it's more easy and simple to use. Download. After download, install the software. Wait until the software got installed. Just wait a little bit now. And now we have finished installing. Now you will need to restart your PC. After restart, now go to the control panel. And from here change the category to large icons. And click on sound. Here in playback, select Voicemeeter and click on set as default. And then next go to the recording. Do the same thing, select Voicemeeter as default. And OK. Now open the software. Here go to the number 1. We got here two options, WDM and MMA. Both are working just the same. I will select this option, WDM. You can select MMA if you want, it works similar. And then you will have to select your input microphone. You will see the name of your microphone here. Then just click on it. We got number 2. The number 2 is not necessary. It's only when you have two microphones or any other recording devices. So just ignore it. And go to the output and here select the A1 and select your speaker. And that's it. Now you already finished all the settings. But still there is one thing to do. In order to benefit from the Voicemeeter, when you record audio or when you streaming on any software, you will have to set the Voicemeeter as your microphone. Here is one example how to use the Voicemeeter. This is the screen recorder OBS. In order to benefit from the Voicemeeter, I have to change the audio input. So this is the audio setting. This is the mic. From here, as you can see, there is a lot of options. The one is that working is the Voicemeeter out VB1. Select this option. So now the audio will be coming from the Voicemeeter software. So you will have to do the same thing with any software. And here we have another example. We have Audacity. Click on this icon and set the host. On Voicemeeter I have WDM. So I need to select this option as the host. If you have selected MMA on your Voicemeeter, then you will have to select this one on your host Audacity. And now simply go to the recording. As you can see, we have a lot of options here as well. Select this one, Voicemeeter out VB1. If you selected other options, the audio will not be coming to the Audacity. So select this one, out VB1. And for the playback, select this one, Voicemeeter input VB. So now the Audacity is connected to the Voicemeeter. The audio will come through the Voicemeeter software. And the last thing is the audio control. From here you can control your audio. From this box, just move it like this. And see which place is the best for a microphone. For me, this is the best place. So now we have finished all the settings. And if you're asking about this option virtual audio, it's just the audio you have on your PC. From here you can change the volume on your PC. When you're playing games or watching anything, from here you can increase the volume or to mute the sound on your PC or to add some other setting to the audio. But the most important is the input. From here you can control your microphone. So in simple way, all you need to do is to set the input and output. After you set them, all you're gonna need is to select Voicemeeter as your microphone on any software. So that's it. If there is any question, just comment down below. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.